Hi. In today's lesson, we'll explore the critical role of logistics during flood disasters through a real-world scenario. You'll see how transportation principles, like coordination, mode selection, and timely response, can make the difference between delay and survival. As you watch, reflect on how these logistics functions apply, not just in theory, but in real crisis environments where every second counts. Let's watch the video.
When floods strike Johor Bahru, thousands of lives are turned upside down within moments.
Mommy! Mommy! Please help me, Mommy!
Don't cry, baby. Mummy's here. Please, stay calm. We're going to be okay.
In these critical hours, logistics becomes the heartbeat of hope, mobilizing aid when it matters most.
The flood situation in Johor is critical, and urgent assistance is needed from all parties.
Damaged infrastructure, scarce resources, disrupted communication. These are not just obstacles, they are life-threatening delays. Without a strong logistics system, help may never arrive. At Humanitarian logistics hubs, every donation counts. Volunteers work with speed and precision, sorting essentials, dry food, clothing, medicine, to fast-track delivery. Planning and coordination are everything. When roads disappear, adaptive logistics takes over. Boats reach isolated areas, helicopters deliver to cut-off zones, and military trucks brave what roads remain, ensuring no one is left behind. Thanks to swift logistics, food, blankets, and medicine arrive just in time. It's more than supplies. It's survival, dignity, and a spark of hope.
This is the true power of logistics, not just moving goods, but delivering hope. I want you to reflect, how do the transportation modes we studied adapt in disaster zones? What role would you play in a real-life operation like this? In your next activity, you'll work in teams to propose your own flood relief logistics plan, applying both your knowledge and your collaborative skills. Let's take what we've seen today and turn it into action.